Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, I know, big shock. Johnny Slicks is back on the channel. But today is not about beard oil or pomade. No. Today is something different. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers of my channel, thank you so much for finding this video. It's gonna be an interesting one. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. For you guys and you longtime viewers, man, look down below. You're gonna see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, should pull up subscribe, knock it out the way early, and that way you're gonna feel better about yourself. I can almost guarantee that. Alright guys, as you saw by that opening you clicked on, that's right, Johnny Slicks is back with his organic, hand-whipped beard wash. I know, right? Shampoo. Finally, we're talking about cleaning your manly mane. Now, I've brought a couple other, washes and co-washes to the channel. Look up top. You're going to see a card sitting up there for every single beard product, skin product, hair product, whatever, up there that we've reviewed so far on the channel. Now, for you guys who don't know, and trust me, we've brought a lot of Johnny to the channel, you can find him at www.johnnyslicks.com. His company is 100% organic, 100% veteran-owned. Both he and his business partner were former United States Marine Corps. Semper Fi, devil dogs. They are 100% made in the USA out of Holly Ridge, North Carolina. Here is the most amazing part, though. They are 100% accredited by the BBB. That's the Better Business Bureau. They are the only, Marine-owned, 100% organic beard hair care company to be that. So I think that's an amazing accomplishment right there. Did I get that right, Mama Slicks? Can you call off the death threat now? Please? Just joking, guys. Mama Slicks watches a lot of Johnny stuff, and you don't ever want to make her mad because she raised a legend, and yeah, well, if she kept him under control, guess what she can do to you? Alright, now Johnny basically established himself in 2016. But as he likes to say it, he made it to the show, the big time, the major leagues, in February of 2018 when he and his business partner teamed up. Now, I discovered him via a Facebook ad. Seriously, I really did. I heard about him in a Nick Comolazzo's video, forgot about him, saw a Facebook ad, went, let me check this out. Saw Nick's face, saw Johnny, and I was like, sounds familiar, let me order. Hooked ever since. As if you guys can't tell by how much I have brought his product to the channel. And yes, I have more reviews coming for Johnny Slicks stuff, so strap in, because it's going to be a fun ride. Now I know, you're going, what's it smell like? Well, it's got a tea tree and peppermint scent. I gotta tell you, I never thought I would like those two together at all, but when I'm in the shower, I'm scrubbing up, I'm like, damn, this soap smells good. Now, I know you want ingredients, right? So, hey, here we go. Castile soap, castor oil, fractionated coconut oil, argan oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and essential oils which are body safe. Now, Johnny is fanatically passionate about everything that goes in his products is okay to put on your body. Now, there is a huge thing on his web store. Well, I should say, yeah, his web store at www.johnnyslicks.com, again, that will go into organic versus natural. And he also released something that I didn't know, so I'm going to roll it up for this video. I guess a fellow brother called him out. I was like, hey, why don't you have, your little sticker on there that says 100% whatever? Well, I didn't know that you have to pay the United States government like 70 grand per product per year to have that sticker. And according to, I think it's like the FDA or something like that, you can have up to 10% non-organic ingredients in your 100% organic stuff. So, damn the man, Johnny, keep up the good fight. I love the fact that y'all doing it on your own and not caving to anybody. Now, Johnny, I gotta issue you this apology here in a moment, bro. I am so sorry for that message I sent you that one day. I'm gonna explain why. And this is also a huge reason why I'm a fan of him. Now, it's got a very watery base to it. Okay, you can see that in there bouncing around, right? I had an experience with another company where I ordered it, opened it up, and it went everywhere. It was like when you're really broke and really single and you're adding water to your soap to kind of lengthen, its life. That one upset me because I'm used to soaps being like a gel form. Well, because they don't use any emulsifiers or chemicals, the consistency is watery. And I sent him a message. I seriously think it was on a Sunday, and he responded back within 5 minutes. I was like, dude, what the fuck? This thing's like water. What the hell, dude? And he responded back about Castile soap and how it does this and how it does that. So once again, that hooked me as a customer going, he cares that much about his people on a Sunday to address a $20 product. Fucking amazing, brother. Fucking amazing. Now, what I love about this, and I like this, it's just directions. Shake well before use. Apply a small amount to your palm. Work into your beard until a gentle lather is achieved. Rinse beard completely and follow with your favorite Johnny Slick's beard oil or pomade. Well, what's cool is when you put it in your hands, it is watery, so you have to be careful. And man, it's got a very gentle lather. It doesn't really oxygenate out and like make, humongous bubbles, but God, it gets in there. And when you're scrubbing it into, your beard and your skin, you can feel it work. My beard feels cleaner when it's done. My beard feels awesome. The scent it wakes you the fuck up. Seriously, it's like you're having a cup of coffee in the shower and you're like, dude, okay, I'm good. It helps cleanse your hair and skin from, all the dirt and product buildup that's in there. And if you use like a lot of balms and butters, you know what I'm talking about. When you're getting in there, you can feel it, because you're only really supposed to wash your beard like twice a week. But I co-wash at least 5 with 2 complete washings on a Monday and a Friday. It reduces beard druff by, maintaining a natural balance of, your body's oil productions. And that's a huge thing with like the beard when it starts growing out, why things like beard oil and balms and butters are so important, because your body can only produce so much oil to keep things healthy. So it's a good way to help you get moving and help you get going. And I love the fact he even puts down there, it's an energy booster. The scent will wake you up. Well, it does. It really, truly does. I've had it for a little while. It's in my rotation of washes. I don't want to use too much of it because I love it so damn much and I don't want to be without it. But I know you guys are going, hey, price. Well, it comes in 2 bottle sizes. I went with the 8-ounce bottle and that costs $20. But there is a 4-ounce bottle that will cost you $10. Now on JohnnySlicks.com, this has been reviewed 22 times. It's got 21 5-star ratings and 1 4-star. Now I know you're going former Marine. He's been really, really active for over a year. You're like, yeah, all his buddies are giving him high marks. No. He's getting true and genuine remarks from people like myself who have used this product and went, God, this thing is awesome. And yeah, Johnny, I know. I'll be leaving you a review on this here on your website real soon. But, yeah, I did cover that. Okay. We're good. Brain fart here, guys. Sorry. It's been a long couple days, and, I'm doing block filming today, so yay. Now, here's the important part of the video. All right? Basically, we all know how to shampoo our little beard, but I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I think Johnny's doing an incredible job, and I want to know if you guys have used any of his products before. Do you have successes with them? Do you have failures with them? I mean, let's talk about you washing your beard. What do you use? Or I'm going to be bringing beard bars to the channel soon. So, yeah, it's going to be an interesting experience. And as far as I know, no, Johnny doesn't sell beard soap bars, so I'm going to another company. I shouldn't probably be saying that in the middle of one of his videos, so forgive me, Mama Slicks. Don't put that hit back on, please. Please. All right, guys, now let's do the fun wrap-up, okay? So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, man, I hope I earned your time today. I really do. I'm very, very grateful you found the channel. I'm grateful you've been watching, and I hope you'll come back for a lot more. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, look down there. You should see a big old channel symbol popping up right there. Click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon. Why? Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of vidges, are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog of videos that they think will be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at, the Johnny Slicks Organic Hand Whip Beard Wash. No offense, no one wants to see my fat, pasty Irish ass in the shower going, this is how you scrub your beard, scrub your beard. No one wants to see that. But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have an incredible rest of your day.